Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your Threads account private. If you're using Threads and you want more control over who sees your post, making your account private is the best option. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to switch your Threads account to private step by step. So let's get started. So first, launch the Threads app. Next, tap your profile icon at the left side. This will take you to your profile page. Next, tap on Edit Profile. Now scroll down a bit and tap on Profile Privacy. So this section controls who can see and interact with your content. Now inside privacy settings, at the left side, you have four options: privacy, account status, account, and help. So tap on privacy right here. Once you do that, tap on private profile. And if this is turned off, make sure you turn it on. So just click on that. So switch to private profile. So only approved followers will be able to see and interact with your content. If you're okay with that, tap on OK. So once enabled, only approved followers can see your post, and new followers will need your approval. Now, after switching to private, you'll start receiving follow requests. You can accept or ignore them anytime. This gives you full control over your audience. Now, important notes: your followers before switching will still remain, and your profile info like your username and bio may still be visible, and privacy settings are similar to Instagram. Now, pro tips: review your current followers before going private, remove any unwanted followers manually, and combine this with comment controls for better privacy. So, just a quick recap: click on your profile at the left side, tap on Edit Profile right here, then tap on Profile Privacy, and make sure you tap on Privacy right here at the left side and go to Private Profile. Then just make sure you turn on Private Profile right here. And that's it, your account is now private. That's how you can make your Threads account private. So it only takes a few taps, but it gives you a lot of more control over who can actually see your content and interact with you. Now, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other tutorials. If you have any questions or you're trying to customize your privacy settings even more, drop a comment below and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.